Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create viral AI vlog with VEO 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use VEO on Flow. So you can open up this website labs.google to open up the flow, and then you can describe the the video that you want to create. And for the prompt, I have just asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, and I'm going to copy this prompt. Then I'm going to go back to the flow. Okay, paste it here, and then here you can choose text to video, and then we can click on submit. Okay, and the video is being generated, guys. Okay, we need to wait until 100%. Okay, and now my video is ready, guys, and there will be two videos, and then you can choose one of them. I'm going to play this one, for
Hi,
example.
I am Glaze, your favorite snack vlogger. Today we're going for a walk, getting some...
Not bad, and if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!